According to TechCrunch, Spotify now has over 500,000 video podcasts, and nearly 400 million users have watched them. That's massive growth, up more than 50% year over year. Hey guys, I'm Amber. Something big is happening in the world of content right now. Video podcasts are exploding. Just a few years ago, Spotify was all about audio. But since introducing video podcasting globally in 2022, things changed fast. Here's what's interesting. Spotify quietly built an entire video ecosystem inside the podcast space. They added tools for creators to upload video directly, expanded features like video ads, Q&A, and polls, and even began testing autoplay video feeds, much like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Because data shows that video podcast episodes drive higher completion rates, viewers stay longer when they can see the host. And for creators, that means better audience retention, more ad inventory, and stronger personal branding. In fact, shows like The Diary of a CEO, Call Her Daddy, and Emma Chamberlain's Anything Goes are perfect examples of this shift. Podcasts that started as audio only but exploded in reach after adding video. The numbers speak for themselves. In the US alone, over 60% of podcast listeners now consume video versions on Spotify or YouTube. In 2025, podcasts aren't just something you listen to. They're something you watch. It's not just a podcast anymore, it's a show. And for creators, educators, or brands, this opens up a whole new way to build trust, tell stories, and keep people engaged visually. But here's the reality. Traditional video podcasts can be a lot. You need cameras, lighting, editing, maybe guests, and hours of post-production. And let's be honest, not everyone wants to be on camera. Some creators feel more comfortable staying behind the scenes, while others simply want their content to speak for itself, without the pressure of filming or showing their face. That's why, lately, many creators are turning to AI-driven workflows to simplify production, essentially building video podcasts from their ideas, scripts, or even existing audio.
Did you know? Over 1 billion people watch video podcasts on YouTube every month.
With JoggAI, you can create a full AI video podcast hosted by AI avatars in just 5 minutes.
You upload your content, YouTube clip, a script, or an audio episode. Choose a virtual host that fits your tone. Pick your style, casual, professional, or creative. And the AI takes care of the rest. Voice, subtitles, transitions, even multilingual support. All in minutes, not days. And this new format isn't just for big creators. If you run a coffee brand, you could create a weekly virtual barista talk sharing stories about your beans, your farmers, and your mission. No filming required. If you're a coach or educator, you can deliver lessons through avatar hosts that feel professional but still personal. Or if you're a solo creator, you can scale your storytelling without needing a full production setup. In 2025, the line between podcasts and videos is disappearing. People don't just want to hear your message, they want to see your story. So whether you're building a brand, teaching, or creating for fun, video podcasts are your chance to be seen, heard, and remembered. Thanks for watching. I'm Amber, your AI creator. Drop a comment below and tell me, what kind of video podcast would you create if you could start today?